back, dear students. Today we are going to learn how to solve algebraic equations involving fractions. First of all, I would like to introduce learning outcomes. Today we will learn what are algebraic equations. We will also learn how to reinforce the concept of algebraic equations involving one or two variables. And finally, we will learn how to solve linear algebraic equations involving fractions. Let's start with algebraic equations. An algebraic equation can be defined as a mathematical statement in which two expressions are set equal to each other. In simple words, equations mean equality, the equal sign. That's what equations are all about, equating one quantity with another. Just look at this example. X plus 5 is equal to 9. This is an equation. To solve an equation, you must find the value that makes the equation true. If you look at this example, x plus 5 is equal to 9. Here you can see that to solve this equation, we need to find the value of x. What do you think? What number can you put in the place of x to make the equation true? Absolutely correct. If we will put 4 instead of x, then the equation becomes true because 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Therefore, the value of variable x will be 4. My dear students, you have to remember, not all the equations involve operation of addition. Equations can have an operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or a combination of all. For example, if you look at this equation, you can see that in this case, there must be some value which we will use to subtract 9 from it. And you can see that the value would be 20. If you will subtract 9 from 20, you will get 11. So, to make this equation true, the value of x will be 20. Now look toward the second example. In this case, operation of multiplication is going on. So what do you think? What can be the value for y to make this equation true? Absolutely correct. The value of y will be 4. Because when you will multiply 4 with 3, you will get 12. Let's take another example. In this example, you can see that operation of division is going on. Now, think about the value which can make this equation true. The value will be 15. To make this equation true, we will substitute the value of x 15 and then you will get 3 by dividing 15 with 5. Well, my dear students, now it's the time to learn how to solve algebraic equations involving fractions. You have to remember, to solve an equation with fraction, we transform it into an equation without fraction. This technique is called clearing of fraction. To get the understanding of this concept, we will solve one example. Look at this equation. You can see that it's algebraic equation which involve fraction. Now what do you think? What can be the first step? If you look at the denominator, you can see that we have 3 and 5 in the denominator. So first of all, you will take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. So what you will do? To clear this fraction, you will multiply both sides of the equation with 15. When you will multiply, you will get a linear equation without fraction. Now, you can see that to solve this equation, what we will do, at first place, you will expand the bracket and after this, you will apply inverse operation. By applying the inverse operation, you will finally get the value of variable and in this case the value is 12. Dear students, I hope this concept is clear. In case of any query, you can ask your teachers in Google Classroom, or you can have an option to ask your teachers in your face-to-face sessions. Thank you very much.